Rizieq Shihab is seen by many as a polarising figure in Indonesia. After ignoring police requests to come in for questioning, he turned himself into authorities over accusations of breaching COVID-19 protocols.
Today, God permits, I can come to the Jakarta police to attend to the investigation into me in accordance with the law.
Rizieq returned to Indonesia last month after 3 years of self-imposed exile in Saudi Arabia. Thousands of supporters showed up at the airport to welcome the leader of the Islamic Defenders Front, or FPI, back to Jakarta. Since then, he's been involved in several events that drew large crowds, including his daughter's wedding.
He didn't come for questioning. When we asked him the first time or the second time, we stated that we would arrest him, but today he has come here.
Rizieq is accused of ignoring COVID-19 protocols by hosting large events in a country with more than 600,000 confirmed COVID-19 cases. But human rights organisations say they're concerned there is more to this case than just health violations.
We have an increasing concern about the increasing crackdown by Indonesian government towards the Islamists, or those perceived to be the Islamists, the radicals Islam, and those who are not aligned with the government meta-narrative of nationalism.
In its early years, the FPI was accused of vigilantism, targeting night spots, Western embassies and some minority communities. FPI is considered a hardline organisation by many, and although its membership is significantly smaller than mainstream religious groups, its leaders are able to organise large demonstrations. When thousands took to the streets in 2017 to protest against the governor of Jakarta, a Christian, ethnically Chinese man, over allegations of blasphemy, Rizieq Shihab was seen as a key figure in the demonstrations that were viewed as a challenge to Indonesia's secular identity. Before travelling to Saudi Arabia, Rizieq was charged under the country's pornography laws. Those charges were later dropped. Now he could face 6 years in prison for violating COVID-19 regulations.
The concern over this next period will be precisely how the government manages what it's clear that they see them as a political problem, how they manage the perception that they're actually using other laws to repress a group for political reasons, rather than the fact that they've actually broken the law.
Days ago, police shot dead 6 alleged supporters of Rizieq. Police say the men were armed with guns and a sword. Indonesia's National Human Rights Commission is investigating the incident and whether the killings were lawful. And police in Jakarta say they will continue their own investigations into Rizieq. Jessica Washington, Al Jazeera, Jakarta.